What's up guys, your boy Big A here. So I'm here at a Target, so nothing new on the Hot Wheels. Everything the same on these 5-packs. Look what we just found, guys. Nice. New Fast and Furious set. Definitely gonna pick that one up. Definitely gonna take this one. These are from Fast Wagons. I already have all of these. Don't care for those. There are more Fast Wagons. Let's see. Nice. Nice. Check this out, guys. Toyota GR Supra. Definitely gonna pick that one up. I don't know why they're mixed up with the Fast and Furious one. Here's the Supra. Definitely gonna pick up another one. And here is a 1970 Dodge Charger. Very cool. Definitely gonna take that one. And so why not take another one? You know, I could always use it as treat bait, or I could use it as a wheel donor. So pretty happy about these. Let's see, the only one that's missing is the Nissan Skyline. Let's see. It's funny how they took the Skyline but not the Supra, but it's all good. I'm happy. Alright guys, so grab these really quick. I've been seeing these quite a bit. You know, the hot one is the T1 VW Dragless. It's obviously not going to be here. It's the one everyone takes. And these are pet warmers. They're always here no matter what. Let's see. Let's take a look over here. Looks like these are all look through. Not bad. Let's see. These are pretty cool actually. Don't collect them. Supposedly this one is pretty hard to find, but you know, I find it quite often, so I don't care for it, so I'm gonna leave it there for someone else. Let's see what else we have over here. Nothing new on the NASCARs. Nothing new on the Matchbox 5-packs. Nothing new on the single packs. Let's see what we have over here. Nothing new. This truck is actually pretty cool. I've seen it a few times here and there. I'm gonna pass on it though. Bronco, Wrangler, Titan, Chevy Blazer in orange. Let's see. Here's a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Pretty cool. Here's the Fast and Furious Lycan Hypersport. Not bad. And there's a Lamborghini Centenario. That was pretty cool. Another Hypersport. Here's Dom's Dodge Challenger SRT8. Very cool. And here's Dom. I'm in your face. It's pretty cool. Check this out, guys. Fast and Furious. This is Brian's Nissan GT-R R35. Pretty cool. I think I'm gonna pick this one up as well. Let's see, what do we have here? So we have some Fast and Furious large-scale cars. This is Johnny Tran's Honda S2000. I don't like the tampo work on this one. I don't like the wheels. And here's this one. Dom's Mazda RX-7. Pretty cool. And check that one out, guys. Slapjack's Toyota Supra. This one is actually pretty cool. Very cool, actually. But I'm gonna leave it. You know, these are cool, man, but they just take up a lot of real estate. Real estate that I don't have at home. Here we have the Scooby-Doo Mystery Machine. A couple of those. Power Rangers. And we have some more over here. And that is pretty much it, guys. So just to recap, guys, I'm gonna take this awesome Fast and Furious Nissan GT-R R35. I'm gonna take this awesome 1970 Chevelle SS. I'm gonna take the Toyota GR Supra. I'm gonna take another 1970 Chevelle SS. I'm gonna take another Toyota GR Supra. And I'm gonna take these two 1970 Dodge Chargers. All right, guys, I'm gonna head on to another store. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. What's up, guys? So I'm here at this other Target, and let's see what they have. This Lycan Hyper Sport is really cool, man. Like I said before, too bad that the scale is too big. This Chevy Blazer is also pretty cool. Jeep Gladiator, Jeep Wrangler, a Titan. Okay. Gonna take a quick look over here, guys. Alright, looks like they put some fresh monster trucks here. Let's see. There's this cool little bug. Let's see if we get lucky. Okay. Nothing here, unfortunately. Let's see what they have over here. Nothing. Nothing over here. Nothing. And it looks like they didn't put anything over here. Let's see. Alright, looks like these 9-packs are all the same. Let me go to this other section over here. I don't know why they keep the Hot Wheels so far apart, but let's take a look, guys. Check this out, guys. Looks like they dump a box or two here. So let's take a quick look and see what we find. Okay, so there's a Bone Shaker, the bigger Bel Air, Batman, the 87 Dodge D100, and the Toyota. Alright. We have these. Don't need any more. Let's see. Let's see. Batman, Bone Shaker, Ain't Fair, the Turtle Shell, Cosmic Coupe, and this is the Crescendo. Let's see. 96 Chevrolet Impala SS. Front wheels, don't care for that one. This one is so cool, man. I can't get enough of those trucks. Gonna customize a few of them. Different wheels. Let's see. Batman. There's some more. A Troca, I already picked up a few of those. Don't need any more. Cosmic Coupe. 67 Nova Wagon Gasser. This is the Super for the P case. Fortunately, this is not it. I already have this one. This one's really cool. Pretty cool. Look what we found, guys. Some Target Red Edition Toyota Land Cruiser. Pretty cool. Definitely gonna pick that one up. 82 Dodge Rampage. We have these. Cool Mercedes. I already have this one. Well, check this out, guys. The Donut Drifter. Definitely gonna take that one. I love the color on this 19 Ford Ranger Raptor, man. It's really, really awesome. I assure you guys, it looks a lot better in person. I already have this one. Here's a Nissan GTI. Not bad, but I'm not a fan of it. The Draftinator. This one's pretty cool. I don't know. This is a maybe. Check this one out. The Alpha Pursuit. We'll pass on that one. Here's the Manga Tuner. Let's see. 67 Oldsmobile 442. Definitely going to take another Red Edition. Yeah, I was definitely late here, guys. Definitely late. Alright, guys, that is pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care. God bless. Happy hunting. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.